Damian Rootbush. 2 cases already that you guys have tried using the same thing, dismissed.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we head to a pedestrian bridge in the city center, where a man filming in a public area is approached by police officers who demand his ID and tell him to leave without providing any lawful reason. Let's watch how this man calmly and confidently challenges every claim, forcing the entire patrol unit to back off. But first, don't forget to like the video and leave a comment sharing your thoughts about this encounter.
Just to let you know, you're all being audio and video recorded.
Same for you, sir.
Okay.
All right. Hey, so the reason I stopped you, you're within 20 feet of the pedestrian bridge. You can't block that.
Not blocking it.
No, you can't be in the way. That's the end.
Actually, I'm allowed to be here. This is the public right of way. It's already been tested legally. You know what I mean?
You're not allowed to be.
I am allowed to be right here.
Nope, you're not allowed to stop within these elevators. So, do you have ID of your person?
Do you suspect me of committing a crime?
Yes.
What crime have I committed?
Walking the pedestrian bridge.
Would you believe it if I told you I've already tested this and I know legally that I have not, this is not a crime?
Do you have ID of your person?
I have ID, but unfortunately, because I have not committed a crime and you have not articulated reasonable articulable suspicion.
You're within 20 feet of the pedestrian escalator in the bridge.
Which is a violation.
I'm asking you to check with your sergeant.
No, we don't have to check that.
Okay, it is part of your policy to check with your sergeant before you violate my First Amendment right.
So, are you going to identify?
My First and Fourth Amendment right.
Are you going to identify yourself?
Under threat of arrest, I will.
Because
You
if
don't
you don't identify yourself.
Are you going to arrest me?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the First Amendment protected activity, and you're violating my Fourth Amendment rights right now. Under threat of arrest, can I get your name and badge number, please?
17215.
Name?
Fitzpatrick.
Name?
Name tag, sir. Right here. My name tag.
Right? Is that what you tell the judge?
Furnace. Right here.
Okay. Furnace, badge number?
16681.
Thank you. Sergeant Drager, I don't know if you know who Sergeant is. Okay, Sergeant Drager is the one that checked with your legal advisor and found out that what I'm doing is constitutionally protected. So I'm just telling you that what I'm doing is constitutionally protected. It is right. It's already been, the ACLU's already challenging it in the courts. The courts have already held summary judgment in favor of the ACLU and us. So I know you don't. I'm advising you for the video. So when we do go to the lawsuit, you can't say that we weren't advised. We weren't told to check. Damian Rootbush. 2 cases already that you guys have tried using the same thing, dismissed. Prosecution would not take it. You know what I mean? And the reason I went to IA last June, and they said it was a training issue. So I told them, okay, if it's training, then it shouldn't happen again. So now that it has happened again, guess what? They've left me alone since June, you know, of last year. So since it has happened again, this is no longer a training issue. Thank you. Can I get my ID back now?
No, he's not.
You already called it in.
Nope, not yet. As of right now, you are detained.
Detained?
Yep, you are detained.
For what crime?
Pedestrian close up.
It's 20 feet. It's not a matter if you're blocking it out.
All right.
The
Well,
NRS, can you please look it up and read it? It's within.
I already know what I'm talking about.
Get it out of on your phone and I'll.
I'm video recording right now.
Within 20 feet.
Okay. So if I'm sitting along the ways of the public right way?
Yeah, you can sit over there because you're outside 20 feet. So if you want to go around the corner and sit, you'll be outside 20 feet. This is within 20 feet of the bridge and the pedestrian.
Can I show you that it's not? I'm going to do 20 feet right now.
That's just fine.
No, I'm going to do actual 20 feet. I have a device that actually measures laser. You use LiDAR. LiDAR is the most accurate measurements ever.
Okay, but I'm not going to go on my articulation based on your measurements. That's not how we work.
Okay, well, you need to measure. Otherwise, it's unconstitutional. Okay. You need to measure. Just the same thing if somebody has an amplified device, okay? You know how you can't be above certain decibels? You can't come down and say that I think it's certain decibels. You have to... No, I'm trying to use it as an example. Come on, don't be difficult. Don't let your ego get in the way. I'm being respectful.
Example, we're just addressing your crime that you're committing right now.
I'm not committing a crime. If you believe I am, go ahead and cite me.
We already detained you because we
Okay. I'm going to stand up right now.
Why?
Because sitting down in this position with you over me is is kind of a, so yeah. In fact, the reason I came over here was because another person told me that you guys have been messing with them. I came to show. Well, I guess the courts will decide, especially if you cite me.
What happens? We enforce the law and they decide.
So even when they decide contrary to what you are trying to enforce, you're still going to do it? You're still going to do it?
Crimes that get dismissed by the courts.
For no probable cause? Yes, it does. Anything that you're right about, they would keep. Okay.
Here's your ID.
Thank you.
Hey, like I said, you're within 20 feet of the bridge.
Okay.
Can't be blocking that flow zone.
I asked to talk to you, Sergeant. If I can't talk to you, Sergeant, I'm going right down to your booth down there, and I will get the Sergeant.
That's fine.
Okay. All right, that's what I'm going to do. And I'll be right back.
And if you come back here, then we're going to cite you because we've already warned you.
Cite me right now.
No, we're giving you a warning.
Cite me right now. I'll be...
It's not our policy. We warn you, and then if you
Because you know I'll win.
No,
And then I can get you for false arrest. I can get you for false arrest. I can't get, unfortunately, I can't get the, yeah, it's, even though it's a cite, it's still an arrest. It's still an arrest. Yes, false arrest is...
Our policy and procedures is we warn you, and if you come
Oh my
back,
God, how little you know about the law if you're saying false arrest isn't a charge.
Last time I checked, I'm going in the uniform and you're not.
I'm the one that used to be a case manager for homeless rights.
If you want to be a cop and enforce the laws, then go be a police officer.
I'm a case manager. I am a homeless advocate. I know the law.
Exactly. Then you can't be a police officer, so don't try to enforce laws.
I can't be a police officer.
Too long or we will cite you.
Okay, all right.
Thank you.
Thank you. I'm asking you to call your sergeant again. It is part of your policy to call your sergeant if asked. You have violated my rights. I'm asking you to talk to your sergeant. Hold on just a minute. Just a minute. How much you want to bet if you do something to me now, I'll be out Monday morning? How much do you want to bet that if you do something to me now, I'll be out Monday morning?
Okay.
How much you want to bet?
I'm not making bets with you. Watch behind you, sir. You're trying to walk.
So where on the pedestrian right away are we allowed to be?
You can move 5 feet that way. You're outside your state.
Okay.
You can't be within 20 feet.
So that's all you're doing. You're not doing it just because I'm here and up here homeless.
Bye. No, I don't care.
Why
who
are
it
you
is.
being so mean?
Everybody, because you're
I'm being polite.
We're done.
I'm trying to talk to
You
you.
leave. You're free to leave.
I'm asking for a dialogue, ma'am.
What?
Okay.
What?
As a member of as a person that represents the public, and who claims, not you specifically, but who claims, I see you're a field training officer. Okay. Let me give you a little of my history.
No,
Okay.
I don't want your history.
Please,
We're moving along.
please hear me.
Do you have a question? Ask me. If not, we're leaving.
Please hear me.
No. Do you have a question?
I'm asking you for, out of politeness, I've been polite to you. Can you, I'm just citing the rights. That's not being impolite. Come on.
And that's the full story of today's encounter. A perfect example of how knowing your rights can make all the difference when dealing with the police. The man in this video didn't raise his voice or resist, yet he calmly and intelligently stood his ground and protected his legal rights. If you found this video helpful or want to see more interactions like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future uploads. And as always, leave a comment below to share your thoughts. Do you think the officers in this situation went too far? See you in the next video.